Do you want to know another reason why brains aren't that smart? It has to do with what we tell ourselves. Brains will believe whatever you tell them. Have you ever been really hard on yourself, saying hurtful and mean things that you'd never say to someone else and hope that they'd never say to you? When we tell ourselves unkind things, we start to believe them, even when they're not true. Brains will believe whatever you tell them. If you tell yourself, "I'm dumb, no one likes me, I'm a bad person," what will your brain believe? The negative stuff, right? If you tell yourself, "I'm smart, I can make friends, I'm a good person," your brain will believe the positive stuff. If you think something's wrong with you, or you think something's right with you, that's what your brain will believe. These negative thoughts about yourself are called automatic negative thoughts. They are kind of like birds flying around in the sky. I don't care if those birds are way over there. They're leaving me alone and not bothering me. But if those birds fly over here and start pecking at me, making a nest in my hair and bringing all of their bird friends, then it's time to do something about these automatic negative thoughts. We can just live with these birds, or we can find a way to challenge these automatic negative thoughts. You can put them in a cage, or you can shoo those birds away. One way to shoo them or challenge them is to tell yourself 3 positive things about yourself for every 1 negative thought that flies to you. Ask yourself if there's a more helpful way to think about this. Ask yourself if these are facts or just thoughts. Your brain will believe whatever you tell it. So if you're thinking negative things about yourself, you'll believe that. If you're thinking about positive things about yourself, then you'll believe that instead. It really works. Try it. It's important to challenge these automatic negative thoughts because you could act in a different way depending on how you feel about yourself. A positive shift can be the difference between believing in yourself or not believing, and this can change your behavior and actions in a very positive way. What you think can change what you do. Whether you think you can or think you can't, you are right. Remember, brains will believe whatever you tell them, so tell them all of the good stuff about yourself. You can believe that. Thanks for watching, and remember to like and subscribe.